to Medswift channel. My name is Michael. Today we will be talking about a fire extinguisher called the foam type. Foam extinguisher is an extinguisher that has water and a compound called AFFF. This extinguisher is best for classes A and B fires. A foam extinguisher comes in different capacity ratings. Like this one we're having today is 6 liters foam fire extinguisher. A foam fire extinguisher has features like the other fire extinguishers too. It has a safety pin secured with a safety seal. It also has an intact discharge. A good foam fire extinguisher will also show you the way it is operated, the type written, and the color code is foam. All fire extinguishers are supposed to be inspected to ensure they are all in good working conditions. Anytime you're using this foam type of fire extinguisher, please also remember it's been indicated on the body of the extinguisher the classes it can extinguish. So by you looking at the body of the extinguisher, you can be able to just identify which class of fire it can extinguish. Thank you for watching. Have a safe day.